you have a fight with your partner, you are telling your family members. Now you are going back together, you are happy as a husband and wife. People, they don't forget. People, they are going to hate your wife because you are the one who are telling them about your wife, the bad things about your wife. And now you are complaining that your family members, they don't like your wife because of you. You are telling them. Sometimes, guys, we have to keep quiet or to deal with your own issues alone, or to go to therapist or what than to tell your family members, because one day you can go back together. Those people, they don't forget, guys. They don't forget, especially family members. They are always talking about it, and they hate your husband, they hate your wife. So sometimes we have to deal with some of your issues alone as a couple than to tell your family members. And now maybe your wife was telling your family members about you, and you are telling your family members about your wives. So those people, they are going to hate each other, even family members, because why are you telling your family members about your husband or about your wife? It's normal in marriage. People, they can fight, guys. Everyone in relationship, in marriage, they fight. But other people, guys, they can deal with their issues silently. They can deal it with in silently. And those people you are telling, they have got their issues in their marriages. Why they don't tell you their issues? They keep it in themselves. But you take a decision to tell them. What are you want to solve those problems? Especially you are telling them about your wife. Guys, sometimes we have to think. Sometimes when you saw, guys, a man can fight sometimes, guys. Even he knows that his wife is wrong or it's a bad woman, but when it becomes to his wife, he can, guys, that a man can do anything to his wife. Even he knows that maybe his wife is a bad person, but in people, even in his family members, he can defend. Yeah, he can defend his wife even no matter what sometimes. But when you saw that you are the one who are telling them the bad things about your woman, we know that women who can behave very bad. It's normal. But you have to go to someone you can trust, not family members, because family members, they are not going to solve your problem. Or to go to your family members or to tell your mother. I think it's better to tell your mother, and your mother can talk to her, than to tell your family members sometimes, because you can't solve those problems when you tell your family members. They are going to hate your wife, or they are going to hate your husband. When you saw that you have got an issue with your husband, it's better to tell you, but to tell his family members is not a good idea. Go to someone you trust, and that person can talk to you, both of you.